Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Stock number is 18G1015A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone destination tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end, and we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.